Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best end cutting nipper is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone tackling intricate wiring, flush cutting small nails, or precisely trimming components in tight spaces, offering unparalleled precision and a clean finish that standard pliers or side cutters simply cannot achieve, making it an essential addition to any serious DIYers or professionals toolkit for tasks requiring meticulous attention to detail and a perfectly flush cut. Number 5. Makartt 3-in-1 Pink Cuticle Manicure Kit. This versatile 3-in-1 manicure kit is designed to elevate your nail care routine. It includes everything you need to effectively clean cuticles, remove gel nails, and maintain healthy, beautiful nails. Its professional 7mm jaw is tightly aligned, ensuring clean and accurate trimming of excess cuticles without tearing. This makes it perfect for beginners, nail enthusiasts, and even professional technicians seeking precise results. The spoon-shaped end gently pushes back cuticles or removes gel residue after soaking. Its sharp head is ideal for cleaning dirt from under your nails or assisting in the removal of false nails. The scraper head efficiently removes soaked polish, while its sharp cutter end can trim or scrape away dead cuticles. It also helps push back soaked polish and remove false nails with ease. These tools are incredibly sharp, yet easy to open and close. Cleaning them is a breeze with just boiling water or alcohol, and their protective case makes them perfectly portable for any occasion. Achieving beautiful nails is simple with these tools. First, apply cuticle remover, then gently push back cuticles, clean any dirt, and finally, trim excess cuticles with the nipper for a polished finish. What we like. This versatile kit offers a complete solution for nail care. Its 7mm precision jaw ensures clean, accurate trimming, perfect for delicate work. If you're a beginner or a nail enthusiast looking for a comprehensive and precise cuticle care tool, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as no review content was available. Number 4. Wiha 32659 High Leverage End Cutting Nippers. Crafted from premium quality tool steel, this tool offers exceptional strength and durability. It's built to withstand tough tasks and provide reliable performance for years to come. Its cutting edges and jaws are induction hardened, ensuring superior longevity and sharpness. This feature allows it to maintain its precision and effectiveness through extensive use. Featuring heavy-duty steel riveted joints, this nipper is designed for maximum resilience. These robust joints ensure smooth operation and a long service life, even under demanding conditions. The grips are specially designed to be oil and solvent resistant. This ensures a long-lasting service life, keeping them in excellent condition even in challenging work environments. Equipped with classic-style soft vinyl grips, it provides both comfort and excellent leverage. These grips reduce hand fatigue, making extended use more comfortable and efficient. What we like. Crafted from premium quality tool steel, this nipper is built for exceptional strength and durability. Its induction-hardened cutting edges promise superior longevity and consistent performance. If you need a heavy-duty, long-lasting tool for demanding tasks, this one will stand up to the challenge. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 3. IRWIN 330 Precision Flush Cutters. Introducing the IRWIN 330, your ultimate tool for precision cutting. These flush cutters are designed for exacting accuracy, making them ideal for all your intricate projects. Crafted for durability, they feature a 13mm long upgraded jaw. This allows them to effortlessly handle up to 14-gauge copper and soft wires, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and strength. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these cutters boast an angled head design. With a Rockwell hardness of 60°C, they are among the most durable small wire cutters available. These tools are not just cutters, they are solutions for a wide range of needs. From zip ties to model sprues, they are indispensable for electronics, jewelry, and hobbyists. Experience unparalleled comfort and control with their ergonomically designed non-slip rubber handle. This comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, ensuring precise cuts every time. They are part of a comprehensive cutting solution designed to meet all your needs, from cable ties to intricate microwire work. Each purchase also includes a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service for your complete satisfaction. What we like. Designed for exacting precision, this tool features a 13mm upgraded jaw for effortless flush cutting. Made from high-hardness chrome vanadium steel, it ensures long-lasting sharpness. If you are an electronics hobbyist or model builder requiring precise, clean cuts in tight spaces, this is your ideal companion. What people say. Number 2. IRWIN VISE-GRIP 8-inch end cutting pliers. Introducing the IRWIN VISE-GRIP 8-inch end cutting pliers, engineered for superior performance. These tools are designed to tackle your toughest cutting tasks with ease and efficiency. Crafted from durable nickel chromium steel, it ensures long-lasting strength and reliability. This robust construction means it can withstand rigorous use in any demanding environment. Experience enhanced comfort with its product grips, specifically designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. These grips provide a secure and comfortable hold, making your work easier. Its induction-hardened cutting edge is engineered to stay sharp significantly longer than standard pliers. This feature ensures consistent, clean cuts every time you use it. With wide throat clearance, it allows for semi-flush cutting of nails and rivets, offering greater versatility. This design makes it an indispensable tool for various applications. What we like. Featuring durable nickel chromium steel construction, this plier is built to last. The product grips provide superior comfort, significantly reducing hand fatigue during extended use. If you value comfort and need a robust tool for semi-flush cutting of nails and rivets, this option offers excellent ergonomics. What people say. Number 1. Bates 7-inch end cutting pliers. Meet your new essential tool for demanding tasks. These versatile pliers are expertly designed for both pulling nails and cutting wires with precision and ease. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it ensures long-lasting performance you can rely on. This robust construction also actively helps prevent rust, keeping it reliable for years to come. Experience superior comfort and control with every use. Its soft plastic-coated grip provides a secure, non-slip hold, making every task safer and more efficient. This tool is incredibly versatile, serving multiple needs. Use it as end nipper pliers to precisely cut wires or nails, or simply to pull them out effortlessly. Whether you're a carpenter, work in construction, a dedicated handyman, or tackling new floor installations, this tool is an indispensable addition to your kit. What we like. Constructed from high-carbon steel, this tool offers long-lasting performance and rust prevention. Its dual-use design allows for both cutting wires, nails, and pulling them out effectively. If you are a carpenter or handyman looking for a versatile, durable tool for nail pulling and cutting, this one is perfectly suited for your demanding tasks. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.